If you're seeing an x.com or Twitter error 404 not found, don't panic. In most cases, this does not mean your browser is broken. It usually means the post, profile, or page you're trying to open has been deleted, the username has changed, or the link itself is incorrect. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it on your PC, step by step, so you can get back to the content you were trying to view. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with the basics. Check the URL carefully in your browser's address bar. One small typo, an extra character, or a missing part of the link can cause a 404 error instantly. So highlight the address, look at it closely, and make sure it matches the correct X or Twitter link. If you copied the link from somewhere else, try copying it again, because sometimes the original text includes hidden spaces or broken formatting. Next, refresh the page. Sometimes a temporary loading issue can make a page look unavailable when it actually isn't. Press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh icon in your browser. After that, give the page a moment to reload fully. If the error still appears, don't worry, because we've got a few more fixes to try. Now go directly to x.com. Instead of relying on the broken link, open a new tab and type x.com into the address bar. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar to look for the user, post, or topic you were trying to reach. This is a simple but effective way to confirm whether the page is truly gone or whether the original link was just outdated. If the page still won't open, try using an incognito or private browsing window. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and P. This opens a clean session without your usual browser history, cookies, or saved site data. Sign in again if needed, then test the link one more time. If it works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign the issue is coming from your regular browser settings or stored data. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. A corrupted cache can definitely trigger weird loading problems, including 404 errors. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Then select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Set the time range to all time, then click Clear Data. Once it finishes, close the browser completely and reopen it before testing X again. If you're still getting the error, think about whether the issue is with one link or many links. If only one post or profile shows 404, that content may simply be deleted, suspended, or renamed. But if several links are failing, the problem could be broader. It may be a temporary server issue on X's side, or the account may be restricted in some way. To check that, try opening the same link while logged out, or ask another person to test it from their device. If it works for them, then the issue may be account specific. At this point, you should have a much clearer idea of what's causing the x.com or Twitter 404 not found error. In most cases, the fix is as simple as checking the link, refreshing using incognito mode, or clearing cache and cookies. And if the page was removed or renamed, then the error is actually telling you the content is no longer available. If this video helped you solve the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials, app fixes, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.